Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin ya ikhwani. I am now in Tawangmangu and last time I was in Solo. So I'm in the middle of journey to Temboro, and after Temboro we will go to Lamongan. So because we pass in Tawangmangu, so I remember this place. I visited this place before. So I look around left and right. I remember some cafe. This cafe, I was here, so I know the owner. The owner invited me before here. So I was in Tawangmangu like 3 or 4 days that for khutbah, and I stay in masjid, and there is one of from Jamaah that's the owner of this cafe. So we visit this cafe now, but because of this still morning 8 o'clock, so the cafe not open yet. We sit outside here and we make podcast while waiting the cafe is open. So now, as you see, I with Jimli, and he also study English with me. So now we make this podcast to practice our English. So if you listen this podcast, so I speak with broken English. So I learned in Bidlan just for 5 weeks. And Jimli learned in Bidlan for 2 months. Okay? We begin. So you introduce yourself.
Assalamualaikum guys, I'm Jimli Asidiki, I'm from Lamongan, and nice to meet you. I met with Mr. Deswara because he joined one course with me, and I'm still beginner, so what do you want to ask? You can write in comment section.
Okay.
Now, question.
Now I wanna ask you why you learn English.
Because this language, international language, because my purpose to dakwah, and if I wanna surround in this world, so I must to learn English also, so that I can to talk with all people. And you? What your purpose?
I am learn English because I think that's a lot of opportunity open if I can speak English. So as you know, I'm before in Cambodia as an Arabic teacher. So when I speak with citizen there, so I speak English, but I still stuck in my speaking. But we can understand each other with body language or anything. So the Cambodian people also, not all of them speak English, yeah, like Indonesian people. But if I can speak English, I can go to English country, and I think I can get another opportunity.
Get wife also?
Get wife also.
From what country?
Yes.
Inshallah. So if your wife watch this video,
Alhamdulillah, my wife
still safety.
Alhamdulillah, my wife, she don't like watch my podcast. Alhamdulillah, because she so busy to take care of my son. Alhamdulillah. So if I make podcast, Indonesian podcast also, she don't watch. Moreover, English podcast. So the next question is, what's your job before you study in Bidlan?
I am teacher in elementary school, and yes, my purpose for collecting money also, so that I can study again about language. And first time I study about Arabic language, so that I can understand because this from my religion, obligatory for me. I think like that. And after that, because I get stempel, I continue the program to become teacher and become servant also in Batlan. And after that, I continue to study English language. And Alhamdulillah, after 4 months in Batlan and 2 months in Bitlan, I can speaking Arabic and English language. Maybe if you wanna correct my language still like this, yes, you can help me. Maybe if you wanna make conversation with me, with pleasure.
Okay, I will put the link of his account in Instagram, so you can direct message to him. And for women, also, if you looking for the future husband, you can send direct message to him also. Okay, but I am alhamdulillah sold out. The next question: before this, you became a teacher. How many years you become teacher?
2 or 3 years
Okay, 2 or 3 years.
around that.
So after 2 or 3 years you become teacher, you resign for study again, right?
Yes.
Arabic and English. After this, what will you do?
I wanna marry,
Marry.
but until now, I still looking for.
Okay. Do you want wife can speak English or Arabic or
Of course,
of course?
moreover from out country, it's okay. From Palestine maybe.
Oh. Okay, inshallah. Because this podcast with English language, maybe there is viewers from abroad. Maybe. So, beside married, what will you do? What's your planning for your future?
I wanna go to abroad. Maybe I wanna traveling. Yes. I wanna dakwah while traveling.
Oh, yes, of course.
Yes. Inshallah. May Allah give us easy.
You give us motivation for learn English, especially for santri, because we know a lot of my friends also who become santri speak Arabic but not speak English. You give us motivation to learn English.
Yes. Although we are Muslim and maybe we study also about Arabic language, but now this era, if we wanna talk with another people from out country, moreover if we visit to West country, we have to speak English language so that he understand and you understand also. And because that, maybe with your religion, with our religion, we can bring and we can share to them, of course, with English language.
So I remember the quotes. If you can speak Arabic, you have some honor. But your honor just in front of student also, just in front of santri also. But if you can speak English, you have an honor in front of all people, inshallah, in Indonesian and foreign people. So now, alhamdulillah, I can speak English, although broken English, but I will continue learn English. How I continue? So every day my intention is watch all videos with English, and I want to practice every day with foreign people. You know, in this era, there is a lot of facility we can use. We can use our phone for learning. So there is a lot of application also. We can practice English with it. So, and also, why I make this podcast, and this podcast is my first English podcast. Why I make this although my English is broken? Because I think if I wait myself to be perfect, so when I become perfect, so that's very normal for beginner speak broken English. So if you now still learn English, learn Arabic or any language, I think you don't care about commenter. If you want, you make content with Arabic language, with English language, just go on. I think many people don't care. So he will comment, but just one comment and then he scroll, so he will forget. So you will improve, inshallah. Okay?
Inshallah.
See you in the next podcast and wish me luck. And I hope my next podcast better than this. Okay?
Okay, inshallah. See you later.